Welcome everybody on this new segment I like to call Chita Cooks. So today we are doing a ribeye steak with a kale and spinach salad. But we're actually hacking a menu. That's what we're doing. You heard it here first, folks. We're hacking Roadhouse Steakhouse menu of that fabulous ribeye steak. And we hacked it with a Sprouts steak, 100% grass-fed. That is the highest quality of steak you can get in 2020. So come along as we hack together. For this recipe is a kale salad, but I'm using a baby spinach and kale mix. You can choose any of your liking. So you're gonna get a good amount right there. I'm doing it for 2 people. Very simple. We're gonna throw in some cranberries, just a handful, just like that. We're also gonna throw in some walnuts. Just gonna sprinkle about a handful as well. And then we're gonna be adding some feta cheese. So we'll do that towards the end. Half a lime, half a lemon. I forgot. A lemon. Yeah, that's what it's called. Lemon. Let's cut this up. We're gonna squeeze half. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm just using regular Himalayan salt. A little bit of pepper. And your choice of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil. Do not use canola oil. Canola oil is so bad for you. Also, vegetable oil, extremely bad for you. You want to stick to avocado or extra virgin. And you want to be generous with the oil. Remember, this is a good oil. It's a good fat. It's not bad for you in terms of excess. So that's a good swirl. And then you wanna mix your greens. You wanna mix them real well. And that's basically it, guys. This is a quick salad. And then we'll top it off with a little bit of feta cheese towards the end. All right, we're about to cook our steak. We've divided the ribeye into 2. You want to generously salt when seasoned. That's all you need. Salt and pepper. Make your life easy. So you're gonna grab a little salt. A little pepper. I don't know why that's there. And then you want to pat that seasoning in. Pat, 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 pat. Flip it over. Do exactly the same. A little bit of pepper. And some salt. And pat, 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 pat. At the same time, you want to get a pan super, super hot. Ideally, you want a cast iron pan. We don't have that, so it's just going to be a regular saute pan. So it's getting extremely hot. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of butter, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, which we don't have, but we will use a mix of avocado oil. At the same time, you're multitasking here. You want to set your pressure cooker on saute mode right here, because we're going to be sauteing our veggies. And this is our veggies. A little bit of carrots, a little bit of zucchini, and some broccolinis. Just with a little bit of butter. So by the time those are done, these are done too. I'm trying out a highly expensive Kerrygold garlic herb butter, just to kind of save me time in terms of garlic and stuff. I don't want to be chopping garlic. It's very tedious in my opinion. So we're going to be using this with a little bit of the avocado oil. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna plate our kale spinach salad. Right here. It's a very simple dressing. Just like you said, a little walnuts and a little bit of cranberries, just like that. So let's make sure we get that. Oh, might as well put the whole thing in. Beautiful, a beautiful salad. Next, we will add the feta. There's two types of feta. I didn't really know this, but this feta is in brine, so it comes in like a little bit of liquid, and hopefully, it's not gone bad. How is it?
Oh.
Grab a little. And if you've never had feta, feta is a very salty cheese, so it'll give it a good balance to the sweetness of the cranberry, the sweetness of the walnuts. Traditionally, I would have steak sauce, but this is the Primal Kitchen organic sugar-free steak sauce. This is the first time I'm gonna try it. Primal Kitchen, if you see my video, please sponsor us. We love your mayo. We love your avocado mayo. We love your vegan ranch. And hopefully, we're gonna love your steak sauce. So, Primal Kitchen, super clean ingredients, water, organic balsamic vinegar, organic everything, organic, and sugar, 0 grams of sugar. Same with the ketchup, is very good ingredients, clean ingredients that you want to add to your food. So, highly recommend. And taste, we will taste today. Here it is in all of its glory. We have a side of broccolini, triple colored carrots, a little bit of zucchini, that lovely salad that we just did. And here's the steak. And as you can see, it's well done. That's how I like my steak, well done. So let's go ahead and try it and see how it all turned out. Getting a little bit of those juices. Bon appetit. So good. So good. Melt in your mouth. Delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and try it now with the steak sauce from Primal Kitchen. You should always try your steak before you season it or before you add anything on it. And that I learned from you. Because usually I would lather it with stuff. It smells already like steak sauce. Like it has those flavors. It smells really good. So let's see how this levels up to A1 steak sauce. The most popular steak sauce, the most steak sauce that you will find in any steak restaurant. Mmm. Delicious. We have those steak sauce flavors in there without the sugar. So we're gonna go this and enjoy this right now.